we have a lot of haters, man. When you hit 625,000 subscribers in less than 18 months, people are going to feel some type of way about that, despite the fact that people have tried to destroy us and bury us, man. We've lost 50 to 100K subscribers, and, you know, we're still here, you know, so people are going to feel some type of way, man, despite the smear campaign saying that we're racist, saying that we're banging chicks, trying to get chicks to bang us to come on the show, all these other false allegations, sugar daddies, you know what I'm saying? We're sugar daddies, all this other shit, which was all disproven because we've talked about using, you know, sugar sites before in the past, openly actually, and we've shown proof of that, right, on our Truth Exposed video. People really hate us, guys. It's ridiculous because it's wild to me because we don't talk. Our biggest detractors, we don't make hit pieces on them. We don't talk about them at all.
Most of them, I don't even know who you are.
Yeah, bro. Like, what the fuck? Some of y'all, we don't even know who you guys are. And then some of you guys are mad because I just didn't respond to you on DMs. So some of you guys, I'm not gonna say names, but some people that made videos on us that hate us the most, like are mad because we didn't do an interview with them or a collab or whatever. Or I didn't see a DM, and it was on it. Like, bro, we've had so many Instagram accounts deleted. You know what I'm saying? So it's like sometimes I miss DMs and shit. So it is what it is. But you know, yeah, guys, we can't afford to keep certain things up sometimes because we know that a lot of people hate watch us. Like, it's ridiculous, bro. Like last time we got hit with the nudity strike, there was shout out to our guy. We found out that we had like hundreds and hundreds of reports at a certain time, and that's why that video was taken down while we were live streaming, guys, which is very difficult to do. To get a video taken midstream, you have to get a lot of people reporting you simultaneously. But so that tells me right there what's going on.